Welcome to every Thursday videos and helpful how-to guides on becoming a designer for all you emerging designers out there. This week I wanted to quickly mention some Illustrator tools that are really helpful and cool. Specifically, there are templates that a lot of people don't know exist, I'm fairly certain. So if you open up your Illustrator, you'll see the screen, and if you hit Create New, all these options at the top here, they have some pretty cool templates in them. So mobile, for example, has some really cool social media art, icons, UI kit, vector mockups, flat mobile vector mockups, and all of these are free. See, free. Super cool. So that's mobile. Let's see what web has. Again, some social media mood boards, media branding set, flat desktop and vector mockup, presentation graphics, icons, and so much more. Let's see, print has this really cute wedding invitation and some logo. Again, another mood board set, even a brochure, some other invitations, flyers, postcards, business cards, logos, so many things that are free. And then video, you got some cool neon effects, paper puppet title graphics. This is just a super cool feature that Illustrator has within it. This is my favorite, art and illustration. You get free patterns, lots of free patterns, zoo characters, and a futuristic city set. So really check these out. I'm pretty sure they update these every couple of months, so there's new free things saved within here. So make sure you check those out, and I hope you like this fun fact of the day. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you next week, Thursday, same time. Bye.